approaching to Sukkahs, sitting the Sukkah, this evening. I would like very much to, perhaps it is to reveal revelation. I'm sure that not people are aware about this phenomena, but it is stressing to know that it has great importance, in Kabbalah especially. So this is a punctuation. Punctuation. In Hebrew, kamas, patach, segol, etc. We have gematria. Which kind of gematria? So in the punctuation, normally in Hebrew, is contained with dot and line. This is all the punctuations, 3 dots, kubus, 2 tzere, kamas, line and dots under. It's an amazing phenomena. So, when you have a dot, it's exactly like the letter Yud, 10. When you have the line is like the letter Vav. So basically the punctuation really are from dots, which is Yud, letter Yud, and with the Vav, the line, 6. This is everything. But lots of secrets comes through the dots. According to Kabbalah, dots have to do with certain sphere, understanding, whatever it is. It adds to the word itself, to the gematria. So what I want to show you, some of interest, what is behind the Sukkah. Sukkah. So as you know, Sukkah normally is written Samech Vav Kaf A, where you have dot in the letter Vav Su, and Kaf, the letter Kaf, have commas, which is line and dot. So you have in the punctuation of the word Sukkah, you have 2 dots and line. No, if dot is 10, so it's 26. So amazing, the word Sukkah, the punctuation, the gematria has God name, 26. So basically, altogether, the Sukkah itself is names of God, 26, and Adnut, 91. This. Another one, adding more to the holiness of the Sukkah. But let us see what happens if you add the gematria of the letters, 91, and the punctuation, which is 26. So 91 and 20, 111, right? And 6, 117. Yeah, because 91 and 26 come to 717. So no doubt that many people don't know what is this number, what is the importance of this number. So, the Song of Songs, Shir HaShirim, the Songs of Songs which Solomon wrote, contains 117 verses. No? Why 117? Why not 113? So it's written because 117 is a multiplication of 39 on 3. 3 times 39 come to 117. What is 39? So anybody who knows a little bit that if somebody transgress prohibitions of Torah, law, he gets supposed to get 39 lashes. Why 39? There is a reason, deep idea. So we know that Solomon transgressed 3 prohibitions. He thought that he will be able to control and not to stumble in this, but it was not successful. So he increased women, increased horses, money. Okay. Was not successful to control these things, and he's stumbling in it. So he was liable of 3 times 39. 3 times 39 comes to 117. The Song of Songs of Solomon is full of love to God, full of love to God. And the repentance, the highest level is repentance, is called Tshuva Me'ahava, repentance of love. When you show your love to God, if you are doing Tshuva, the first thing, you're something you're facing God, you believe. So, Song of Songs, basically, 3 times 39, 3 times punishment for 3 prohibition, love, and Solomon rectified by 117 verses. So 117 is expression of love, because the 39 is also the gematria of tal, of view. View represents love. And it is interesting that it's written that when God revived the people, then he will pour upon them view, tal. So view represents something soft, something nice, yeah? And this is exactly what the 39 represents, love of God, and 3 times of it, number 3 always represents, we call chazaka, strength. Yeah, this 3 times the kadosh, 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 and so on. The 3 times is like completion. So this is the idea, 117. So the Sukkah, basically, it's in Sukkah, also shows the love of God. He saved us in the desert, yeah, brought us to Israel, and so on. So this is why 117 represents our love to God, yeah, saving us from the Sukkah, that he covered us with clouds of glory, yeah, which the Sukkah represents. So, as I said, interesting punctuation which adds